0, 1, 2, 3. Let's get started.
Welcome back to Veg Kid Kitchen, and today we are going to make pancakes. Now, thank you to the person that invented this recipe. Just so you know, your recipe is 5 stars, and I'm pretty sure I'm gonna love it too. Now let's get started.
What ingredients do we need?
Salt, cinnamon, pumpkin spice, coconut oil, milk, baking powder, vanilla extract, sea salt, cane sugar,
And
flour. Add 1 cup of flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder.
nope. That's not. Gotta be flat. Flat. Use your finger. Perfect.
1/4 teaspoon of sea salt. Next, cinnamon and pumpkin spice. 2/4 teaspoon of cinnamon, then pumpkin spice.
Oh, that's real good.
Whisk your dry ingredients. 1 cup of milk. 1.5 tablespoons of cane sugar. 3 what? Tablespoons? Tablespoons.
And 1 teaspoon of vanilla. 1 teaspoon of water.
Now, make a little hole in your little dough pot.
You've got to get a hold of
Pour
yourself.
this stuff in, whatever this stuff is. Add some blueberries. More blueberries, the merrier. Batter into a pan. What to do if you don't have syrup. Now, in this case, we recommend using honey or jelly. My favorite between that choice would be jelly. Just refreshing. Yummy. Time to dig in. Good. Veg Kid approved. Light, fluffy, refreshing, delicious. Thanks for watching. Tune in next time for more videos like this, but new.